Hey everybody, so today I'll be talking about one of Dr. Earth's newest fertilizer lines, the Pump and Grow series. As you can see here, I have 2 bottles of the Pump and Grow. It's essentially a fertilizer that makes it super convenient for the average gardener to be able to fertilize any plant, but especially container plants. As you can see, right now I'm out here on my balcony garden, so everything out here is being grown in containers, and these guys have really helped me have an awesome yield this growing season. As you can see, everything's green and bright and beautiful and flourishing. So with Pump and Grow, Dr. Earth not only made a couple of them, which I have here. I have the succulents here, that's for cactus and succulents, and then the tomato vegetable herb fertilizer. These can also be found in the liquid fertilizer form as well as the dry fertilizer form. But the Pump and Grow is awesome. It's so convenient. So not only do they have these 2, but they have pretty much every other dry and liquid fertilizer that they make in a Pump and Grow bottle. So that's really awesome. So today I'll be showing you how to use these exactly, what to do with them, and yeah, so let's get into it.
Remember that on the back of every Dr. Earth product there are detailed instructions, so always make use of those if you can. So the first thing I like to do is to really tighten the screw top on the bottle just to make sure nothing comes loose while we're opening. Next thing you're going to do is get a nice strong base, and you're going to push down on the top of the bottle as you twist it to the left. What that'll allow it to do is it'll allow it to start opening up, just like so. Then all you have to do is twist it the rest of the way and it's ready to go. Now it's time to pump away. All you have to do is put 1 pump per gallon of plant at a maximum of 5 pumps at the base of your plant. It's very important to make sure that you pump right at the base of the plant. And for a smaller plant like this, 1 pump is plenty. Now all that's left to do is water. Just water your plant as normally up to 24 hours after pumping the fertilizer in, and you're going to be good to go. As always, you want to make sure that you're watering very thoroughly so that the fertilizer gets all the way into the soil. Too many people underestimate the power of fertilizer. That's how I turned this little guy into one of these. If you have a container garden, then one of the quickest, easiest ways to fertilize is with Pump and Grow.